So today we'll be unboxing the Nanoleaf starter kit and also the expansion pack, and we'll be making the logo that will sit behind me. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unboxed, bringing you tech unbox, news, reviews and more. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I'll list all the details and everything else I forgot. Also, don't forget to smash, obliterate and destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And let's jump into these two unboxings and let's make the logo. So we have here the starter kit and the expansion pack. Let's leave the expansion pack on the side for now and let's start with the starter kit. I'll take my usual tool and let's open it. Before we do that, let's just see what's in the box first. So we have the Nanoleaf logo here on top. On the side we have compatible with Apple HomeKit. So these are the Mini Triangles starter kit. There are 5 of them. Here is about the same thing, and this is like the back. It works with Google Assistant, Alexa and SmartThings, if this then that. We have the app here as well. Also it works with iOS and Android as well. And we have the features. You can touch it, you can combine the shapes. It's ambient or it can be functional. It has a simple setup, we'll see that in a minute. And it detects the layout. And we're back. And let's see what's inside. First opening. The box is really easy to take out. Leaving this on the side, like usual. We have a Nanoleaf card which lets you add the app and see what kind of shapes you can make. And let's go further. This on the side, we don't need it now. The quick start guide on the side, and here we go. So we take these two out on the side, and these are the triangles. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all of them. Let's leave the triangles on the side for now, and let's see what else do we have in this box. Okay, let's see. So we have some kind of stickers. These are the connectors for all of them. We have 6 connectors. More stickers. They're Nanoleaf sticker if you want to use it. And the charger. So we actually have 2 plugs for the charger. So we have the Europe one and also the UK one. I'll be using the UK one. So it's really easy to put this on. You just put it here and it clicks into place. Very easy. And when you want to take it off, you just press this and it's off. Let's see this one as well. Really nice and easy. Okay, we'll be keeping this one. Let's get to connecting. Oh, what else is this? I forgot something. Oh, this is the controller. And as I can see, maybe you can synchronize with music as well. We'll check this later. So that's everything you get in the box. You have the charger, the Nanoleafs themselves, the triangles, 6 connectors and the stickers for the wall. There are 6 and another small one. This, and you have this as well. Let's see how one of them looks. Apply pressure to the center. Okay, so only one has a sticker. Let's have a look at them. So that's the back. You can connect them 3-way, any way here. And that's the front. And now let's see them on the wall. Make the logo. But we'll be making the logo after we open the other box as well. So let's set all of this on the side. And now let's open this box, which is the expansion pack. So on the top of the box we also have the Nanoleaf Smarter by Design logo, and it's a bit dirty from Amazon. It came like this. Then we have front, which it says here expansion pack, 10 triangles, compatible with Apple HomeKit, of course. Then on this side we have some color and Nanoleaf expansion pack as well. On the back you can also see that it is compatible with the iOS and Android, and you can see that this requires a Nanoleaf shapes starter kit, which is that one, of course. So you can't use this without that one. And of course everything here, like on the other one, it says here 15 of them, but they are 10, so 15 probably with the starter pack. Okay, let's open this as well. You can see the similar bottom as well. We're done. We have another card, and it's a bit different. It shows you a bit more complicated, so to say, designs. Okay, let's leave this on the side. We also have the expansion pack quick start guide. I will leave this on the side for now. And let's see, this one is empty, and this one has some things inside. And now it's empty. And then we have the triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8, 9, 10, yeah, 8, 9, 10, of course. I don't know how to count, I forgot how to count now. So we have the sticker, which we won't be using, and this to stick them on the wall, and 2 of this, another 6, so 8, 10 of them, 10 connectors. What else? Nothing else. This one is empty, so that's what we have in the expansion pack box. 10 triangles and the stickers for the wall and the connectors. Now let's get to connecting them. I was thinking of actually trying to see how they can connect on the table like here. So let's take one of this connector, and we don't want to break it. I think you just press it like this, and then you take the other one, and we're done. Nice and easy. And I can see these things that rotate here. This most probably are for this. Stick this here, and then you can stick it on the wall. Let's try and make a shape. Actually, let's try and make the logo, if we can, here on the table before we do it on the wall. Let's see if we can get this right. So that is supposed to be the U from the Unboxed. And let's see if we can make the other shape, which is T, which should look something like this. So that's about how it's supposed to look. And because there's nothing we can fill here in, like this, things are just meant for close connection, and I didn't look for something to connect them separate. We'll have to put a triangle here as well. And hopefully we can make this not turn on, so this will be off and the rest will be 2 different colors. It's quite satisfying, it's like making a puzzle. And this should be the logo. Well, on the other side. Let's see how can we turn it around. Oh, we have a small problem then. Okay, so that's what happens when you make the logo the other way around. Let's start again. Yeah, so that's what happens when you make it the other way around, but obviously the other way around was easier than this way, but this is the way we need them to look. All of this should be on, this should hopefully be off, this one color and this one color. And now we will fit it on the wall there. But before we do that, let's see where we can connect this. Oh, it's like this. Maybe I can do something like this, because I would like the cable to be here. And you'll have to connect this as well somewhere. Let's see where can, probably here. So something like this. Since it's all connected, it should totally work, and I'll give it a test before I put it on the wall. We can see some light, I think, and there's a button here. I'm not sure what is happening. So as I can see now, they're not actually doing anything. But let's try. Oh, there we go. They're on. Maybe they're a bit too bright, so you can see them now. I'm like a kid now playing with the lights. So this is the dim for them. And what do you have? Modes. Next one, green. Interesting, you can change the colors from here. Now let's try and connect it with the app. And we'll take this card and scan this code with the phone. I have my 5S here. Open. Oh, it wants to connect straight with the phone in Safari. Yeah, that's the one. Anyway, I'm gonna look for the app on the App Store because it's easier. Nanoleaf, and we have the Nanoleaf app here. And the app has done downloading. Let's open it. I have a set, of course, and I need to sign in with one of my accounts. And actually, we have my home here. Nanoleaf would like to use Bluetooth. Okay, start pairing. I need to scan this code now, and we've added this to home. It's gonna be the studio lights, and it will have a name. And as you can see, it already found the orientation. So that's the app. We have rooms, then we have group scenes. Let's see what we have in rooms. Studio off, on, very easy. Shapes, beat drop, blaze. We can change like scenes here. Basic. Here is where we can change the colors. Oh, it also has auto brightness, but we don't need auto brightness for now. Color calibration. Now it's time for us to stick the logo on the wall, and I will actually take this off. I'll try and stick the middle triangle first, like the middle of the logo. I'll just leave this too, so I make sure I can stick the other ones on top. And let's add one of these stickers. It should be about here, I would say. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well. It says there on the sticker, keep pressure for about 30 seconds, so that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, should be enough. Let's go with another one. Hopefully these stickers are strong enough to hold them. Actually, let's try using the phone for the level. Hopefully everything is good, and it will hopefully look good on camera as well. Should be fine. And let's also add the last piece with the charger, of course. And that's how the logo should look. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the links in the description below if you're looking for the Nanoleaf shapes. And I'll see you on the next one. But before I do that, let's see how the logo looks. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about them? They look good? You like them? You don't like them? Nice. So I'll see you in the next one.